Hello, YouTube. This is my latest Etsy purchase. They said this was from the 1920s, but I don't believe that it is. I think it's probably the 30s, which isn't too far off. So that would be the Egyptian revival period. I think the zipper still works. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to sew right here. Because see, it's kind of flappy. So there's a little spot here that you can put like a picture, or I guess your license. And then there's a mirror here. But you could just tell that's hand painted. You could just see the detail. I'm sure the camera doesn't really give it justice. So this would be the Egyptian revival period, which would be after 1925 when they found King Tut's tomb. So what I got here is some leather cleaner, and we're gonna clean it up. It's in pretty good shape, but I'm gonna sew here. There's two places on it that I'm gonna sew. Then I'm gonna put a new strap on it. We'll see how that goes on. Hope this doesn't like wreck it. It's a lot darker. Yeah, that strap's kind of shot. It was used, I'd say, some quite a bit. The Egyptian revival period is one of my favorite periods of jewelry and things to collect. Makes it darker, but it will go back to being light in a little bit here when it dries. I'm not sure whether just to take that off completely or leave it or what, but that's kind of frayed. I didn't pay very much for this bag at all, and it looks friggin' incredible. I like it a lot. I'm gonna put like my pens and shit in here. There's the boats on the Nile. I think it's pretty good for something that survived at least 80 years on Earth, and it looks fine.